Hello viewers, welcome to another technical video series. So in this video I will show you how you can permanently disable Windows 10 update from your system. So I think you already watched many videos that how to disable Windows update from your system. So here is a basic setting that if you pause this video for 7 days, or you can go for the longer date from here, but after few days if you are busy or you forget about this date, it will automatically again uh, take Windows update. So how you can permanently disable this update from your setting, I will show you all the process in this video. So first of all, I would recommend you please use always Windows update if you have enough configuration or enough space. Like for me, I have Core i7 uh, processor and 8 GB RAM, and I have also enough space. As you can see, I have 500 GB hard disk drive, and for Windows operating system I use external SSD about 128 gigabyte only for operating system. So I usually have enough performance or speed for this uh, Windows operating system, because I have already used very heavy softwares for my working purpose. So if you have not this kind of configuration, it's always good idea to disable the Windows update from the setting. So let's begin actually how you can do this process. So for this, you can just go here for in the search option and write here gp edit. So you can see edit group policy, just click here, and after clicking here you will show you can see this window. So here you can see the computer configuration, then click on administrative template and then go Windows component, and then search for Windows update. In the below in this list you can see Windows update, then double click here, and then you can see the configure automatic update. So it's already not configured in my PC. So you can see it's not configured here, but if I configure something here, you can see changes here. So just take a look in the current scenario of my Windows update. So just double click here and you can see there is three options: not configured, enable and disable. So just click on disable and then apply, then click OK, and then close this window and then check here. So you can see there is already changes happened here. It says settings are managed by your organization, that means by you, the admin of this PC, and your organization has turned off automatic update, so it will not take actual automatic update after 6th of July. So this is the technique that you can permanently disable the Windows update. But I would again recommend you please at least use 1 or 2 times Windows update if you have enough configuration. Otherwise it will hamper your what to say, your daily working process, and it will slow down, it will make slow down your PC if you do not actually disable the Windows update permanently. So I hope this video helped you a lot, and see you in another technique.